How to add dual clock widget to Android. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you a step-by-step tutorial that we can use in order to add the dual clock widget to our Android screen that allows us tracking two time zones instantly. So what we can do is we can access widgets. We can long press on any of the empty spot on our home screen and look out for the widgets option and tap on it. After we tap on it, we can scroll and find the option for clock and drop it down. And within the clock, we can find the dual clock option and drag it to our home screen this way. And it will be dragged on our screen. Now here we can add up city. We can select up Paris, for example, add it up. That is one of the city and another one is the next one. Once it is done, we can select up the second city as well, and we can just go over and select the background color, whether you want a day or night color, and then just go over and tap on save. And when you tap on save, you will be finding the widget available on your screen. If you need it larger, you can use this option right here to resize it and go ahead and place the widget and drag the dots to resize option. And you can drag and drop and go ahead and change the position of the clock on your device like this. And the dual clock will be available. You can just go over and do so. You can also look out for third-party options like World Clock Widget, but usually this is how we basically add dual clock widget to our Android. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.